Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Aberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 19th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX. So VIX is still having a hard time breaking 2772. It does not want to break it, so this is good news for the stock market because when the VIX is going up, the stock market tends to go down. So right now we cannot break 2772. The VIX has nowhere to go but go down a little bit. So this is what it did today. So down 54 at 2576. Still have a stochastic right here. We still have stochastic right here. So we are still quite high, but at least we are not getting higher. And the fact that we came down during the day, this helped the stock market go up a little bit. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, after breaking yesterday, is pulling back a little bit, but we are not pulling back very far. We are not reaching 31,060, and we don't have much of a stochastic here. We should not believe this pull back up yet. Let's go look at S&P500, pulling back a little bit better right here, but so we should not enjoy this too much. And the same thing with Nasdaq. The stock market is still in a downtrend, a short-term downtrend and long-term downtrend. Yeah, let's not get too excited with this green candle because a candle does not make a trend. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.